We are slowly waking up. Hi, bud. I know. I know. Oh, don't worry. We have a busy day today. Time to sashay slay the landlord and file our injunction. Do you want some treats? Do you want salmon for breakfast or whitefish and sardines? Huh? I just love when his eyes are in the light like that. Is that not freaky, creepy, cool?